Hey everyone, this is Gayle. I just wanted to say hello and to let you know that I am now an ambassador for Simply Earth Essential Oil Companies. They have a recipe box that you get every month, and I've just got my new one, and I thought I would share it with you. I have fallen in love with this company. I have fallen in love with their products, and I've learned so much. I've always enjoyed essential oils, but never really knew a lot about them except that lavender calms you and tea tree is good for fungal infections or bacterial infections and things like that, and that jasmine just smells good. But I've never really understood how they work. And there's a course that comes along with this. If you subscribe to their monthly box, you get access to this course that teaches you all about all different kinds of things, but helps you understand essential oils a little better, gives you a list of what oils are used for what things and what combinations are good and stuff like that. So hopefully you will enjoy this enough that you would check that out. I'm going to stop the video for a minute while I readjust my camera. I haven't figured out Minicam yet, so I'm just going to use my camera. And but I have to change it so that it looks down so you can see the box. So I will be right back as soon as I readjust my camera. Okay, I'm back. And this is my Simply Earth monthly essential oil recipe box. And this month's theme is soap. So everything in the box today is to help you with soap. So let me go ahead. I've been dying to open this. I don't know if I've said it or not, but I got this. This is Monday. I got this on Friday, and I didn't want to open it till I could do a video so you could see me as I open it. But anyway, this is the monthly box, and if you subscribe, you get one of these every month. You can pause it if you don't like it. And here's my receipt, because I did order something different, and I'm sure it's in here somewhere. I think this is it. Sweet Dreams. This is the best stuff. I ordered this separate because you also get a credit when you order your box. You get credits, and this Sweet Dreams is the absolute best blend. Let me tell you what's in it. It's lavender, cedarwood, frankincense, marjoram, and chamomile. Anyway, this I ordered extra. This is not part of my box, but because I ordered it extra, I didn't have to pay any shipping on it because they just include it in my box. But let's see what we've got. You always get 4 essential oils. And this month, we're getting ginger. Wow, love that. Fennel. Don't know much about fennel except to cook, so I feel like I'll learn a little bit there. This is love. Let's see what's in the love. Amorous, bergamot, sweet orange, and lang lang. So I gotta smell it. Sorry. That smells good. It smells like a very expensive perfume. I like that. And then cardamom. So those are the 4 essential oils in this month's box. We also get fuchsia mica powder, and this is to color your soaps and scrubs and things. This is the shea butter melt and pour soap, and you get 6 blocks of that. Here's the little heart-shaped soap mold. I got a mold last month also that was just a rectangular one. You get 6 recipe cards. And this month's recipes are Love Cleansing Shave Soap. I saw a video on this, and they said that it was very it's the best stuff they've ever used to shave their legs. So not only is it good for men for their beards, but women love it for their legs. And Love Massage Oil. Cleansing Sugar Scrub Bar. Oh, that ought to be good. Bold Roll-On. Don't know what it... Doesn't explain anything except it's bold, but it's got the Love Essential Oil Blend, cardamom and ginger, and coconut oil. A Swirled Heart Soap. This is for to use in your little heart-shaped soap mold. And this uses the mica powder. Just a pinch, so you can see I have a lot. And Love in the Air Diffuser Blend. I love a diffuser. And this is the Love Essential Oil Blend, fennel, ginger, and cardamom. And it tells you how to do it. And this, I've earned a badge. I'll be a soap hero this month. I may have not, oh, this is March. Oh, boy. I may not have explained. I'm also an ambassador for Simply Earth, because I like it so much. But these are the labels that you put on your things. After you make them, they provide you with labels, and you can put a date on it so you'll know how old it is. Now, the best part about this company is when you first sign up, you sign up for your first subscription box. I need to check this out too. You get what they call a big bonus box, and I wish I had kept it in the box. It's a box like this, but it's about twice as big. And those are the extras that you'll need for the 6 months that you're getting these recipes. I do have them here. We had almond oil and fractionated coconut oil. We had vegetable glycerin, the solid coconut oil, and in these recipes, it was Sweet Dreams Natural Lotion. Haven't done that, but I'm going to, because that's one I really like. I love the Sweet Dreams. At Peace Roll-On, I did do that, and it's wonderful. I use it all the time. It's in the roll-on bottle. Let me show you. You get 6 roll-on bottles, and you get 6 little individual bottles to make your own blends. Luxurious Lavender Body Polish, Intention Diffuser Blend, and Fresh and Floral Body Milk. Now, which one was the one that I fixed for my daughter? This one, the Clarifying Honey Solid Lotion Bar. I fixed this for my daughter because her skin, her legs get very dry in the wintertime. She has a horse, so when she goes to take care of her horse, she is in the cold a lot, and it has made her legs really, really dry. So I made this for her, and oh man, she loved it. And everything from your boxes is everything that you need here. And then it says from your home, you need some kind of a hand mixer, a food thermometer, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of water. Then it gives all the directions on how to put it together. So this was in my regular box, my monthly box. This was in the bonus box. So with your first subscription, you get all of this stuff in addition to this. Plus, if you use my code, which is going to be in the notes below, you'll also get a $45 gift e-card that you can use to purchase anything you want. You can buy more essential oils, you can buy more molds, you can buy more bottles, you can buy more, these type things. That's it. let me change the camera back. I'll be right back. So how did you like this month's recipe box? Wasn't it great? You know, so many people find that essential oils can be confusing, complicated, and things like that. But as a subscriber, you would also get access to Simply Earth's Hero course, that they call it. It's a $250 value for people that are not subscribers. But it teaches you so much about the essential oils, what oils are used for certain things, how you make essential oils, you know, where they come from, why do you want 100% pure essential oils. And so that's just another bonus. You also have, you know, the subscription is commitment free. If you sign up and get the bonus and everything for the first month and you find you don't like it, just cancel. You know, but if you're like me, you're going to be hooked, because now I've learned so much about using essential oils to replace the cleaning products that I have in my utility room that are just full of chemicals, and trying to get chemicals out of my house, or as much as I can. I'm not going to be silly enough to think I can eliminate all of them, but I am going to eliminate a large majority of them. If you decide you'd like to try the subscription box, there's a link below, which is my ambassador link, and you have to be on that link, because if you also want to receive the $45 e-gift card, it'll only work on my link. So, you know, I'll have two codes below. One is the link to the website, and the other is the coupon code. So for the first month, you'll get $20 off of your recipe box. You'll get a free big bonus box, plus the $45 free that you get to order. You'll get free access to all of the training in the Hero course. You'll have access to so many videos and training tips and things that Simply Earth is just really good at. And you'll be saving money. So why don't you give it a try? One thing I don't think I mentioned before is that 13% of all the profits from Simply Earth goes to end human trafficking. It's something that's very important to them, and they're donating to human trafficking 13% of all profits. So you can't beat that. So give it a try. Check go to my link below, and then when you order your subscription box, use my coupon code at checkout, and that will give you a $45 e-gift card. It'll come in your email. It's awesome. Can't beat it. So have a good day. Come back soon. I'm going to go work on some of these soaps and see if I can't get some of these videos done showing you how I make my soaps. Thanks. Bye-bye.